Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to change Twitter profile picture and post it as a tweet. So your followers knows that you've changed your profile picture. Now to figure it out, let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, tap on your profile picture top left. Then tap on Profile. After that, tap on the profile picture. Now tap on Edit. So you can either take photo or simply choose existing photo. Now I'm gonna choose an existing photo. And I just want to mention that the appropriate dimensions for Twitter profile picture is 400 pixel. And in case it doesn't, you need to crop it. So once you're done, tap on Use. Great, this will pop up. So you can post it as a tweet from this option, or if you want to add some modification first, by tap on this option. Now once you're done, tap on Tweet. Great, and like that, you've changed your Twitter profile picture successfully. Thanks for watching. See ya!